What are you doing, Annie? Come here, girl. Annie. Come here. Annie, come here. What are you doing? Annie, what are you doing, girl? You like that toy, don't you? You're gonna chew off the tag. You like your toys? You like your toys? Hey, girl. What are you doing, girl? What's up, guys? Capgun here, bringing you Annie, our new dog that we got. She really loves those toys. We just got her yesterday, and she's 2 months old. So, she's a mixed dog in between a German Shepherd and possibly Lab or Boxer. We don't really know for sure. We got her from the Humane Society, so she's a good-looking dog. Annie, what are you doing, girl? What are you doing? You taking the rope?